Hi, so this is Anando and I'm back with a second video. This one totally in English for the freshers orientation to Jadavpur University Mechanical Department. And I will be introducing to you what ISHRE is about and what we do. So we know that most societies and clubs and all of these institutions that institutions and universities have, they have a very special role to play, and this special role is about nurturing you beyond your textbooks. Because as of now, what you have done is basically developed a very good theoretical knowledge of how physics works, of mathematics, of chemistry, but what's beyond that is applying that knowledge in various applications of engineering. So in order to do that very well, uh, societies like ISHRE help. So ISHRE will conduct webinars, industry visits, competitions, all of these to hone your skills to be ready for industry when you join it. So ISHRE basically is a national organization, and under it lies various student chapters in various institutions. Like there is the BITS Pilani ISHRE chapter, there is the DTUB ISHRE chapter, and there is Jadavpur University ISHRE chapter. ISHRE stands for the Indian Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. It was started in 1980 and it has been there in Jadavpur University for almost a decade now. As of now, I'm the president. My name is Anando. I'm in the fourth year. Um, and we do a lot of interesting things. So what do we do? Firstly, ISHRE has a number of national events which they conduct and which is a great delight to participate in. So the national events are typically three that takes place throughout the year. The so in order of decreasing complexity, the events are ISPG, NSDC, and AQuest. So ISPG is basically um, a competition where you give a proposal for building something totally out of your own innovation. You devise and you conceptualize the proposal by working with a faculty advisor in a team of 3 or 4 people. On submitting the proposal and after them evaluating you, they might or might not select you for a 50,000 rupee grant, which will be basically deposited to the departmental bank account or to your bank account, and after which you have to build a prototype of that like particular idea that you have come up with. So as of now, like this year, Jadavpur University got 2 ISPG grants, which is the largest number as far as any other universities in India is concerned. 2 teams, which consists of 3 people each, worked on an atmospheric water harvester. Another team worked on a special uh, air conditioning system for COVID times. And they will be building it uh, in the university for you people to see. So that's ISPG. The other is NSDC. NSDC is a design competition. So they will probably tell you to probably design uh, an air conditioning system for a big space like an auditorium, or let's say an IT company building. And the main goal is that whenever you study a subject like thermodynamics or refrigeration and air conditioning, uh, it is taught in a manner that you understand the concepts really well, but there is a gap between how industry professionals in various designing roles, how these industry professionals do their job. So in order to bridge that gap, these kinds of design challenges are absolutely a great thing to do. So we have sessions with industry professionals who come and teach you the nitty gritties of how to go with solving this challenge problem. A-Quest is a quiz. It's a national level quiz, which basically tests your aptitude in thermodynamics, in basic electrical engineering, in heat transfer, in refrigeration. Uh, it's it's quite renowned and prestigious because if you win this quiz, you get hired and recruited by Hitachi on spot in the national rounds, which takes place in Delhi or Pune. One team from Jadavpur University went for the nationals in 2019. They didn't win, but they made it to the nationals, and that's something we are really proud of. Uh, Other than that, we have some each day JU chapter events. So these are events which are very special to us, and this is attended by students within the university, but not necessarily outside, though there is absolutely no bar about anyone attending it. So these sessions include uh, the alumni interaction series, where we get in people who have passed out of the university doing interesting stuff all over the country or abroad, to share their experiences and their career journey with us. So we have had people who are Bhatnagar award winning scientists. We have had theoretical physicists working at Oxford University. We have had R&D engineers working at Intel, which is an electronics engineering company, but which hires mechanical engineering engineers for specific roles which is related to thermal dissipation. And other stuff. Probably I don't know much about this. So we have had people who are presently pursuing their MBA at various IIMs. So alumni interaction series is a wonderful way to broaden your knowledge and understanding about what all the different things you can do after finishing your graduation in mechanical engineering. And ISHRE gives you a platform not only to attend, but organize these kind of sessions and be in close touch with these seniors who probably with their ideas and their guidance can make a difference to you. The other sessions that we conduct consists of the Placement Insight series. The Placement Insight series is a very unique one. So unlike the Alumni Interaction series, which basically brings in people who are 10 or 12 years senior to you, Placement Insight series brings in people who are 1 or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years senior to you, who have recently been placed in mechanical engineering or otherwise related industries, so that they can share their experiences about how to crack the interviews and all that. It's essentially a great learning platform for people in second year, third year, because they are the ones who are going to sit for interviews, and interacting with people who have already made it is perhaps the best possible way to train yourself for this. You people will be enjoying these sessions as you move on and like go from first year to second year, take on more courses, and you will find that these sessions will start becoming more and more engaging, more and more relevant to you, and they might make a big difference to you as well. The other thing we do is the ISHRE lecture series. So the very seniors who come for the alumni interaction series often would like to share something which is very specific or topical to their area of work. So for example, we had Shourabh Nath from ESPCI Paris, a graduate of Jadavpur Mechanical 2014 batch, coming for the alumni interaction series long back. And he talked about his journey from Jadavpur University to Virginia Tech to pursuing his PhD under a very eminent scientist in Paris. But that's not the end of what he has to share, because he thought that he has some learning about fluid mechanics, which we as undergraduate students would deeply enjoy and appreciate. So he, approached us with organizing something called the Vanguard Lectures. So those videos are available on YouTube. You can check it out in the ISHRE JEE chapter YouTube channel. Shourabh Nath talks about scaling laws and everyday physics of his research that he works on. So ISHRE lecture series is essentially a platform where you can essentially get to attend video, lectures and webinars on very topical areas which are not necessarily related to refrigeration and air conditioning engineering, but is essentially intended to broaden the scope of your thinking, or as Shourabh Nath puts it, by tinkering or by just browsing the internet, you might come across 3 or 4 or 5 areas which are unknown to you. But what if someone comes to you and tells you about all the unknown areas that were unknown to you? How would that be? So the lecture series is just an attempt to bridge that gap between what we don't know and what we know. So these are basically our contact numbers. I'm Anando. Gaurav is in third year. Shurjavo is in second year. And you can get in touch with us. I must also inform you that we are going to have an induction program, an orientation program, so to say, with you very soon in the month of February, when we would be done with our examinations. The semesters have approached and all of us are busy with our exams. So once we are done with it, we would be having an orientation program where we will have a very open discussion about all the various things that ISHRE has to offer for you and why you should join it. But till that time, I would implore you to check out our Facebook page. So this is our Facebook page, and you can find all the various events that have been organized in the past from this Facebook page. We also have an Instagram page. So the Instagram page basically has all the all the information that you need, and I would implore you to like and share and follow us. We also have a YouTube channel. So the various events that we conduct, not all, but some of them are uploaded as videos, as recorded videos on YouTube. So you can also check them out. In the meantime, have a great time at Jadavpur University and make the best of your first year. Thank you so much.